Originally, whenever I was building this, my dad, he kind of named it. He said it would be a hell of a good thing to get killed on. So it kind of got the name of Heliva, and it's stuck. And I have to say that he's the reason for me to be able to create such contraptions, because he shared with me his ability and knowledge of building buggies. When I was a young kid, he had built a number of different ways for me to get hurt, and I dearly loved that. It made me who I am. So. About 20 years ago, I took the notion to build a lawnmower that would mow anything and everything. So this is my creation. It's a four-wheel steer. It's got a 4.3 liter V6 powered by a pickup truck engine. The hydraulic oil tank was put up there so that we could tune on it. Originally it was going to come down close to the engine, but it works out pretty good there because you can see underneath of it instead of over top. It is a 4.3 liter V6 out of a 1995 S10, and this is the fuel tank, which incorporates the controls and stuff. If you look up underneath of here, it's pretty busy. There's a lot going on up in there. So this will control the six-way snow blade that's on it, and there's just a good bit of hydraulic stuff going on there. So that's kind of the heart of the hydraulics. It'll not only just steer front and rear, as you can see, all four corners are steering. And by the flip of this magic handle, now just the rear steers, and then this will make it crab. So get everything straightened up there. It's powered by a Sunstrand 90 hydrostat used in heavy farm equipment, and it's got way plenty power. It's got way plenty of everything. except for comfort for an old guy to run. So for the most part, it's been fun, and it's pretty cool to get it out of a Sunday afternoon and just beat up on some weeds and grass. Been a whole bunch of work putting this thing together. Learn a lot. I'm not an engineer, but I kind of build and design things, as you can see. Subscribe to my channel. Appreciate you taking the time to watch an old guy on an old piece of thing, and have a great day.